Hello, welcome back in this tutorial series of Fusion 360 again. Today we will create the part number second of this plumber block, that is this cap. In the previous video we have created this plumber block body. So today we will create this plumber block cap. To create this plumber block cap, first we will draw a line of 36 mm, and from this center we will draw two circles of 24 radius and 48 radius. So for this window and go to this Fusion 360 interface. From here I will select this, create a sketch, then select this plane. After selecting this plane I will draw a line of 36 mm, press enter. Now we will draw a circle of 24 mm radius or 48 mm diameter. This way. Now we will draw one more circle of 96 mm diameter. After drawing this one, again we will come on this drawing. Now we can see that we have to draw a line from this point about 54 mm. This is 16, 36. From here we will draw a line of 54 mm in this direction. Similarly, we will draw one more line here in this direction of 4 mm. Then we will draw this line of 12 mm. Then we will draw this line of this. We can see from here that is 54 minus this. This is 54 minus 28. So it will become 26. So first we will draw a line of 12 mm in this way. Then we will draw a line of 26 mm in this way. Then we will draw one more line of 16 mm in this way. Then we will close this loop and press escape. Now from here we will select this mirror command and select the objects this way. Select the mirror line, and as you can see we have created such kind of drawing. Now we will select this trim command and trim all the unwanted edges. Now as you can see, we have created such kind of profile in our Fusion 360. Now finish the sketch. Go to home position, select this extrude and extrude it up to, we can see in this diagram, 46 mm. After this, now we have to provide these two hole of 12 mm dia. Select this hole command. First we provide the diameter, that is 12 mm. Now the next is The distance from this line is 23. This 23. From here, this from this drawing we can see that the distance of the center of this particular hole from this point is 54 minus 39, that is 15. So we will provide the reference from here, it is 50. So we will provide here 15 and press. In the similar way, we will provide one more hole here, or we can use this construction and create a mid plane between this point, this plane and this plane, and press OK. After that select this mirror command and provide the feature is all, and mirror plane is this one, and it will create one more hole here. In this way we can create one more hole here. Now the next we have to create this particular one, arc of radius 14.5, that is 29 mm diameter. For that, again select this plane, create a sketch, we'll draw a circle of 29 mm and press enter. Then finish the sketch. We just do it and select this one. Again select this, extrude it. Let's select this and press OK. In the similar way, we will create here. For that, select this mirror command, select this feature and select this mirror plane and press OK. So as you can see in this particular figure. Now the next is we have to create this 16, and the hole is 8 mm, and that is counter bore hole. For that, just finish this, select this hole command, now the next is we have to provide some references. First we will provide here the dimension of this particular hole. We will select this counter bore, and from here we can see that outer diameter is 8 mm and this is internal diameter 6, and this is the length 16, and this is throughout hole. So is 16, is 6, this is 40, and press OK. So now you can see we have created such kind of cap with the help of various commands available in Fusion 360. In the next videos we will complete all the other parts of Plummer block and we assemble all the parts one by one. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Kindly subscribe my channel.